Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have the tools, now start. Launch the Visual Studio installer, select only the workloads you need, and install the SDKs. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account so settings sync. Then, create a new project, File, New Project, choose the appropriate template, pick the target framework, and give a clear project name. Make sure to pick a solution folder and location you can find later. This avoids path issues as you progress. You'll now prepare the project internals so it compiles and runs reliably. Open project properties to configure target framework, runtime identifier, and debug versus release settings, then save. Next, use Manage NuGet packages to add libraries, lock versions, and enable automatic package restore. Make sure to install helpful extensions for productivity and initialize source control. Create a Git repo, add a sensible. You're in the home stretch. Build the solution and address any compiler errors by reading the error list and output windows. Once clean and build succeed, run with debug F5, set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables using locals and watch windows. After verifying behavior, run unit tests and prepare a publish profile, select folder, Azure, or container target and generate artifacts. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting tip. Clear NuGet caches, restore packages, then rebuild. It resolves many mysterious build failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.